Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I thought I will do full face of Charlotte Tilbury. As you know, Charlotte Tilbury is probably one of my favorite brands, and I thought I have almost everything to be able to do full face. Okay, so first thing I'm going to use is the Hollywood filter. I've got two colors, I've got 4 and 6, and I will probably mix them. Yeah, 4 is definitely very light. I'm gonna put it on my hand, and this is the 6. To give you a bit of luminosity. Now for foundation, I'm going to use Light Wonder, and I have this in number 7. I've tried all the Charlotte Tilbury foundations, and you know, the latest one, there's got quite high coverage. I found it a bit too high coverage, but I really love the Light Wonder, especially in the summer. And I like to apply this foundation with my hands. I don't know why. Do you know, it's funny because when I think when I was really young, no one had foundation brushes or beauty blenders. We did everything with our hands. And we lived. It's a lovely, I would say it's light to medium coverage. You can build it up. I'm sorry again, the lighting will be changing. This is just my luck. Whenever I sit down to record, the sun won't just stay out. It goes in and out, in and out. Okay, so that's the foundation. Now, one thing that I don't have is loose powder, like a setting powder. I have the airbrush flawless powder, which I use more under my eyes. Now for my concealer, I'm going to use the Magic Away liquid concealer, and mine is number 5. It's a really lovely concealer. I must say I'm not a fan of the sponge and all that. It gets very, very gunky. But this concealer is really nice. So because I don't have a setting powder, I will set my face lightly with the Laura Mercier mineral powder in classic beige. I'm sorry, but I think this powder is no longer available. I can't find it anywhere. I've got loads of backups, but and under my eyes I will use the airbrush flawless powder. Mine is in number 2. It is a lovely powder. It does really give you this flawless look. Can you see? It really, really gives you that airbrushed look. Now, before I do anything else, as you know, I always prep my brows with the Legendary Brow. Mine is in Linda, but I've noticed, because I was looking online the other day because I need to buy a new one, and they have seemed to change the colors. So the colors don't have the names anymore, and they seem to just have 3. So it's like blonde, supermodel and something. So I'll probably get the middle one. I don't know why they did that. I don't have any other brow products, like a brow pencil. I didn't like the, you know, the one that has like a triangular tip. I don't like these type of pencils, so I don't have Charlotte Tilbury pencils, so I will do my brows off camera. Let's also use the Beauty Light wand in Spotlight for my highlighter. And now I will do the bronzer. I will use the new airbrush bronzer. Mine is in number 2. This is the Rifa bronzer brush number 22. Love this brush for bronzer. I think it is actually called bronzer brush. To my Mickey Mouse forehead. So that's the bronzer. For I don't know what to use for my blush. I have to remember that Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette in Lovegasm. I will probably use this blush, which is Love is the Drag, and I will use highlighter from that palette. And then I will use this highlighter. I don't know if she still sells these palettes. I can't remember if they were limited edition. Okay, I'm going to go off and do my brows. Now for my brows, I use any of these light skinny pencils. So for today, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown and LA Girl Shady Slim in Warm Brown. And I always, go away sun, and I always top it off with my Benefit 24-hour brow gel. Okay, let's do the eyes. So I think I'm going to use the Eyes to Mesmerize in Rose Gold, the cream eyeshadow. I'm using Morphe R32. It's a beautiful shadow. I think I will use this palette, which is the Stars in Your Eyes palette, and I will mostly use the Love Eyes. So I am going to take the darkest one from the Love Eyes and apply it just above my crease. I'm going quite high with it. And this was Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. Now on Zoeva 231, I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I might also use the middle one from Happy Eyes, not the middle one, the darkest one from Happy Eyes, and just apply it right on the outer corner. absolutely love Charlotte's eyeshadows. They blend so beautifully. Now I am going to take a brown pencil, and you know, it's called the Classic. It's brown. It's just called the Classic Eye Powder Pencil. I thought it was Audrey, might be Audrey, but it doesn't say. I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line. And I will wing it a bit here from my lower lash line. And just put it right on the end of the upper lash line. When you've got hooded eyes, pencils are the best for your liner, because even if you don't do it very precisely, you can smudge it and you won't see mistakes like with a liquid liner. Now I don't have Charlotte's mascara. I've tried her fat lashes or whatever it was called. I think I've tried the first one, which was smudging a lot. I think she reformulated it, but I've never tried it again. So I'm going to use my old trusted Climax first, and then Marc Jacobs. I am going to use fake lashes. I will show them to you in a minute. Actually, Charlotte has now fake lashes. I forgot about that. I need to try them. I'm just putting them on my outer corner. I've trimmed them so they are sort of half lashes. I will show you in a minute. Okay, so I use these lashes. These are Keys Jubilee, but as you can see, I've cut off the ends, like 3 knots, and I've only used this front bit on a corner, because otherwise they would be too long. And I quite like using lashes just like 3/4 or half lashes. Okay, for my lips, I have been dying to use something bright, and I bought all these lovely lipsticks from sorry, Charlotte last year. So I'm going to use Electric Poppy today. Now I've got 3 lip liners that go with it. So I have the Charlotte Tilbury, I think this is Pink Venus. There it is. But I might use, I've got this Kiko Sicilian Note 04. This one is such a beautiful bright coral that I found that much nicer. And also, if you want your liner to be a bit darker, the MAC Beat is good with it, but that one actually goes better with some other Charlotte's lipsticks. So I'll probably use the Kiko one. Let me actually powder a bit around my lips so it doesn't bleed too much. Then, I don't know if Kiko still sells this one, but it's a beautiful liner. It will go with my top and my nails. Okay, my lovelies, so this is the finished look. I love this lipstick so much. Adore it. I love all her lipsticks, to be honest. Well, the ones that I've bought anyway. Okay, my lovelies, check out the description box for all the links. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.